Hello everyone. In this video, I'll explain what an LLC is in the simplest way possible and why so many people choose it when starting a business. If you're planning to start a business or you're just curious about how businesses are structured legally, this video is for you. So, let's start with the basics. LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. It's a type of business structure that combines elements of both a corporation and a sole proprietorship or partnership. That means it gives you the legal protections of a corporation, but with the flexibility and simplicity of a small business. Now, the most important part of an LLC is right in the name, limited liability. What this means is that if your business gets into legal trouble or owes money, your personal assets like your home, car, or personal bank account are usually protected. Creditors or lawsuits can go after the business itself, but not you personally, as long as you've kept everything legal and separate. This is a big reason why many small business owners, freelancers, and real estate investors choose an LLC. It adds a layer of protection that a sole proprietorship simply doesn't have. If you're running a business without forming an LLC or another legal structure, you're personally responsible for everything, all debts, lawsuits, or liabilities. Forming an LLC is also simpler than forming a corporation. It requires less paperwork, fewer formalities, and more flexibility in how you manage your business. For example, corporations are required to have a board of directors, hold regular meetings, and keep detailed records. LLCs don't have all those strict requirements. You can run it as a single person or with multiple people, called members. Another great benefit of an LLC is pass-through taxation. Instead of the company paying taxes on its profits like a corporation would, the profits go directly to the owners and they pay taxes on their individual returns. So you're avoiding double taxation, which is a common downside of corporations. LLCs are also very flexible when it comes to how the business is managed. You can run the business yourself, which is called a member-managed LLC, or you can appoint someone else to manage it, which is called a manager-managed LLC. This flexibility allows you to design the structure that fits your needs. You might be wondering, who actually needs an LLC? Well, if you're starting a side hustle, freelance work, opening an online store, buying rental properties, or launching a startup, an LLC could be a smart move. It helps you look more professional, protects your personal finances, and may even open up more opportunities like getting business credit or opening a business bank account. Now, forming an LLC does involve some paperwork and a small fee depending on your state. You usually need to file what's called Articles of Organization with your state's business division. Some states also require you to appoint a registered agent. That's someone who receives official documents for your business. And in many states, you may also be asked to file an operating agreement, especially if there are multiple owners. The good news is there are tools and services out there that can help you form an LLC easily without having to figure everything out yourself. Websites like InkFile, LegalZoom, and others walk you through the entire process, file everything for you, and help you stay compliant after your LLC is formed. Before wrapping up, it's important to note that while an LLC offers protection and flexibility, it's not a magic shield. If you mix personal and business finances, act fraudulently, or personally guarantee loans, you can still be held personally responsible. So always keep business separate and follow the rules. To sum it up, an LLC is a great option for many entrepreneurs and small business owners. It gives you legal protection, tax advantages, and management flexibility without too much complexity or cost. It's one of the most popular choices for a reason. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe the channel for more videos.